Welcome to Auto Insider. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Cadillac Camper Van. Cadillac is known for luxury and innovation, and this camper van is no exception, combining top-notch comfort with the ruggedness for any adventure. First up, let's talk about design. The exterior captures Cadillac's iconic style, bold, sleek lines, and that distinctive front grille. This camper van is built to turn heads, but with practical details like LED lights for better visibility, durable alloy wheels, and an aerodynamic roof design that cuts down on drag and improves fuel efficiency. It's clear that Cadillac hasn't compromised on style just because it's a camper. Inside, it's all about making you feel at home on the road. Stepping into the cabin, you're greeted by a spacious interior decked out in high-quality leather and wood accents, giving it a modern, luxurious feel. Cadillac has integrated smart tech, so there's a central infotainment touchscreen where you can control everything from the temperature to the lights, which even includes mood lighting options to set the right vibe for those cozy nights in. Plus, there's a premium Bose sound system, letting you enjoy your favorite road trip playlist in crystal clear quality. The 2025 Cadillac Camper Van isn't just about looks. It's packed with performance too. Under the hood, it boasts a 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers around 310 horsepower, giving it plenty of muscle for highways and rougher terrain. And for those of you who like off-road capabilities, Cadillac has added a selectable all-wheel drive system. So whether you're climbing a mountain trail or cruising down the freeway, this van is prepared for it all. Fuel efficiency is also impressive for its class, with an estimated 22 miles per gallon helping you go further between stops. Now let's touch on what makes this camper van special. Cadillac has gone the extra mile with its innovative features. There's a built-in kitchenette with a microwave, mini fridge, and a fold-out dining area. Need a good night's sleep? The rear converts into a comfortable bed, making it the perfect setup for road trips and camping weekends. And with ample storage space, you'll have no trouble packing all your gear. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Equipped with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, this van prioritizes both your comfort and peace of mind on the road. All in all, the 2025 Cadillac Camper Van blends luxury with practicality, offering an ideal solution for those who want to explore without sacrificing comfort. With a starting price around $65,000, it's an investment in freedom and adventure. Stick around, as tomorrow we'll explore another standout feature of this incredible vehicle. And be sure to subscribe to Auto Insider for the latest in car reviews.